Ito yung nabili ko, dino egg. Tapos may dinosaurs. I want to get the T-Rex. Or the dinosaurs, all the dinosaurs. Let's open it. It's gonna glow in the lights. It's gonna... Oh, it's so long, guys. Yeah. Guys, we got a big cup. Wow. What to get dinosaur, these dinosaur guys, or these Sartotores. So we're gonna read that. I don't know how to read this. But guys, you're gonna, what is inside guys? Let's open this first.
Okay.
This is so cool. Guys, we got slime. Slime with its head. So we need to open it later. Next, I think this is the dinosaurs part.
I open it.
Dinosaur.
What's that?
Let's open it.
You put it there.
You put it in there. Whoa. Julie. Oh my god. I think this is the dinosaur. Later we're gonna open the other one.
This is my slime. What is that?
I think it's the slime, guys. Wow, it's so gooey.
It's my
Later we're gonna-
slime. It's my slime.
It's not
Someone just
slime.
put my slime.
It's my slime. I buy this.
Someone is putting my slime.
Put all.
But oh guys, it's so gooey.
Ew.
Ah.
Dili man yan.
It's like burgers.
Parang sipon.
Mm. This is how. This is the
Put it
slime.
Eh.
Mama, mama.
Yan na iya si Manak.
Okay.
Tanggalin mo muna yung lahat.
Oh my god. Maybe I'm gonna wash this hands. Mm. I should put plastic first.
Listen, Listen is dinosaur.
Check mama, wala na.